Okay, so let's proceed to number 81. Plans can be changed to meet future requirements which were not considered during the planning stages. This indicates blank in planning. A. Responsiveness. B. Efficiency. C. Flexibility. D. Effectiveness. So the question or our key points here, kung ano yung hindi considered during the planning stage. Okay? So, our answer is letter C, flexibility. So, hindi naman siya kinakailangan sa isang plano para maging future requirement siya, ang pagiging flexibility. Kaya ang sagot is flexibility. Letter C. 82. In stationary surveillance, the following must be observed except A. Never meet subject face-to-face. B. Avoid eye contact. C. Recognize fellow agent. D. If burnout, drop subject. So, ano ba yung hindi kasama sa stationary surveillance? So, our answer is letter C. Recognize fellow agent. Hindi naman kasama yan siya in observing in stationary surveillance. 83. Pedro is a thief who is eyeing at the handbag of Maria. PO1 Santos Reyes is standing a few meters from Maria. The thief's desire to steal is not diminished by the presence of the police officer, but the blank for successful theft is A. Ambition, B. Intention, C. Feeling, D. Opportunity. Ang sagot is letter D. Opportunity, because the thief's desire to steal is not diminished. So, hindi pa nagkaroon ng kukunin niya yung handbag ni Maria, pero it is considered as an opportunity kasi nga due to the reason na yung magnanakaw or si Pedro there is an opportunity kay in the presence of the handbag of Maria. Nakikita niya mismo yung handbag para it is the opportunity kahit anong oras makukuha niya to. Okay? Kaya ang sagot is opportunity, letter D. Okay, 84. In intelligence evaluation, the evaluation rating of A4 means a complete reliable source, thus doubtfully true information, usually reliable source, C thus probably true information, C fairly reliable source, thus probably true information, D usually reliable source, thus probably true information. So our answer is letter A, completely reliable source, thus doubtfully true information. It is under the intelligence subject. The one of the key points na papamiliarize lang natin yung mga shortcut nila. Okay? Para mas madali natin maintindihan. Okay? Kaya ang sagot is complete reliable source, thus doubtfully true information. Yan yung meaning ng A-4. Okay? 85. In case of special anti-crime squad, it should be used during normal times to intensify patrol in crime-prone area, and it be restricted to blank and be given mission to accomplish. A. An area corresponding of 2 bits. B. Any area in the barangay. C. Specific areas. D. General patrol area. So, our key point here, ano yung special anti-crime squad na kung saan kinakailangan para ma-normalize or ma-intensify yung patrol in such crime-prone area. So, our sagot is, or our answer is specific area. It should be the specific area so that the special anti-crime squad has the familiarity or has the technique if they will execute their plan. It should be the specific area para at least hindi sila magkakaroon ng confuse or conflict between the area of their assignment. Okay? Kaya ang sagot is letter C, specific area. 86. It includes every procedure that has been outlined and officially adopted as the standard method of action to be followed by the members of police organization. A. Tactical plan. B. Management plan. C. Procedural plan. D. Operational plan. So, our key point, ano ba yung procedure na kinakailangan na ma-adapt by doing a standard method, or in other term, ito na yung sinasabi nating SOP or the standard operating procedure. So, our answer will be letter C, procedural plan, because from the word procedure or standard method, kinakailangan ang SOP. Kaya ang sagot is procedural plan, letter C. 87. A Peace and Order Council is organized in every city or municipality by virtue of A. Executive Order 386, B. Executive Order 1012, letter C. Executive Order 309, D. Presidential Decree 118. So, under the Executive Order 309, so that is our answer, letter C, because in every city and municipality, there will be a Peace and Order Council. So, ano ba itong Peace and Order Council? Ito na po yung nagpapatupad ng isang matiwasay and orderly implementation in such barangay or in such city or municipality para magkaroon ng payapang pamumuhay ang ating citizen. Ito yung batas EO 309 or in other term, Executive Order 309. 88. Graduate of PNPA or Philippine National Police Academy are automatically appointed to the rank of A. Senior Superintendent, B. Senior Police Officer 1, C. Inspector, D. Superintendent. So, automatically, ang sagot natin is C. Inspector or Police Lieutenant kapag graduate ka ng PNPA. Okay? 89. PNP in-service training programs are under the responsibility of A. PNP Directorate for Plans, PNP Directorate for Human Resource and Doctrine Development, PNP Directorate for Personnel and Records Management, D. PNP Directorate for Controllership. So, our key point is the service training program or the PNP in service. So, it should be under the letter B, PNP Directorate for Human Resource and Doctrine Development, from the word PNP in service training. So, key point is human resource or ang sagot is letter B, PNP Directorate for Human Resource and Doctrine Development. 90. A plan for coping up an attack against building equipped with alarm system is an example of A. Extra departmental plan, B. Procedural plan, C. Management plan, D. Tactical plan. So, our key point here is the coping up or an attack against building equipped. So, with alarm system. So, ang sagot is extra departmental plan because it is an example ng plan, no? Extra siya kasi with an alarm system na siya. Okay? Kaya ang sagot is extra